Khubor ka Shillong Municipal Board lengba ka hukum balapan mi dau Chairman Town Vending Committee and Chief Executive Officer haka khandriu tarik naitung lakhang mardor bande Madan route surak barok shidenter ki surak Naduh Laitumkhrah dhan kiti area Barik Junction Panong Light Park Red Cross Laban Haduh Lumshatsngi. Yakini kijaka road surak ka sorkar kelapan bena bakimdei kijaka bande mar Madan kenang ban aila deki padba pad deki kali bandai banwan haki denti bakulut lakhang persya bande mar haki teki road surak palak kadau haneng yakinu kinu ki balik persya yakini ka hukum ki bor bapanya jaka SMB ken pendenkam deki kendon jaka an Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Scheme arhajar arpulai lamanaru ban syakni ilut deki mar ki mata labatha iginongdie Madan ki balayo yaka certification of vending bakin kendriano ki jakayo baka sorkar kalamang kerpang na kabenta chungki hapo ka khatnyo tare gunailar arhajar arpun riu yakinongdie Madan harut surak Laitumkhrah dhan kiti area Barik Junction Panong Light Park Red Cross Laban Lumshatsngi lamang haka SMB parking lot dhan kiti bad ha compound of Brightwell Bungalow.